Yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
It'll be really cool if we could double up.
Got one.
Attaboy. I got one too.
There you go. Double up. Oh, you choked it.
Dude.
He choked it. That is gonna be a rough one.
Hold on, double up before the camera dies. Fish bump, bro. Nice. That's a good fish.
Let me get your pliers. And then just turn off your camera.
Back into the wild you go, buddy. Okay.